Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Gustafson RV satin nickel finish white acrylic shade sidewall LED light with button. Now this durable steel LED sidewall light with a on and off button, as you can see right here, is going to illuminate the interior of your RV or camper with a bright focused light. And as you can see, I already have this connected to 12 volt power with the light on, and you can see just how bright it is with the studio lights on. But to give you a better demonstration, let me turn my studio lights off. And as you can see, it's just a really nice, pleasant, warm glow. The long-lasting, energy-efficient LEDs are going to burn brighter than your incandescent bulbs. And this features a frosted white acrylic shade with a satin nickel finish that's going to offer you a sleek and polished look. And let me go to my wide view here real quick, and you can see how it illuminates the table and just the area around me. I just want to shine this focus beam behind me as well on my wall behind me, just to kind of give you an idea. Let me turn it this direction, and again it almost lights up my entire table. So again, it's going to offer you quite a bit of light in your RV or camper, and I think it's going to be a very classy addition to your RV or camper as well. So a really attractive, classy way to add some light to your RV or camper. Now this button here will turn this light off and on, and it's a push button switch, so it works great, and it's going to give you the convenient ability to turn that light off and on. This is a durable steel construction, and this is a 2-hole bolt-on installation onto your wall. And as you can see, it can be wired to a light switch if you desire, and typically this type of light would be mounted like this, but since many times headroom can be a premium in some RVs or campers, you can mount it like this, and that light beam would be focused at a downward angle. But as you can see, you can mount that in either direction, whatever works best in your RV. Now it is important to note that the hardware to install this is not included. This is UL listed. The overall height of this light, we're going to be sitting right at 10 inches tall. And the base diameter, we're going to be sitting right at 4 3/4 inches in diameter. Now I did measure the distance between these mounting holes earlier, and the distance between those holes center to center is 3.5 inches center to center. And this shade, just by itself, we are sitting right at 6 inches tall, and the diameter on that shade is going to be right at 2 7/8 inches. And this is going to extend from the base where you mount this onto your wall. It's going to extend right at about 5 1/4 inches from the wall. So that's how much it's going to be sticking out from the wall, about 5 1/4 inches. But again, I'm a big fan of this type of light. I like the shade and just the overall look of it, and it's going to be just a really attractive way to add some additional light to your RV or to replace some older fixtures, and I don't think you can go wrong with a light like this. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.